the first thing that every Indian in a conversation tries to do is find out कि common क्या है, right? ये नहीं कि differences क्या है. Development also means very many different things in different places. Sitting here in Bombay, what we think of as GDP growth and the greater good is not the same as it would be, let's say, in a Bastar or in an Arunachal Pradesh, right?
लोनली नहीं लगता ऐसे इसमें?
But COVID taught us that बहुत कम चीजें चाहिए जीने के लिए और खुशी जीने के लिए.
और अल्टीमेटली सबको वही दाल रोटी सब्जी खानी है, राइट? Beyond a point, that's all that we need. The most difficult thing to give up, of course, is the routine, but it's also that title, right? कि वो visiting card जो मेरी identity बन गई है is very, very important. I think the biggest challenge is to give up that.
Yeah.
Raise your hands if you felt like that this is what at least once in life you wanted to do it. That speaks everything in my opinion. There is a poem in Marathi. I'm sorry it can't be translated in English per se. विंदा करंदीकरांची एक कविता आहे. सकाळपासून रात्रीपर्यंत तेच ते तेच ते तेच ते माकडछाप दंतमंजन तोच चहा तेच मंजन तीच गाणी तेच तराणे तेच मूर्ख तेच शहाणे सकाळपासून रात्रीपर्यंत तेच ते तेच ते. मग त्यात सगळ्याचं वर्णन आहे. त्यात शेवटचा जो प्यारा आहे तो फार महत्वाचा आहे की हे बोर्डम किती येतं जगण्याचं. तर करीन म्हटलं आत्महत्या, रोमियोची आत्महत्या, करीन म्हटलं आत्महत्या, रोमियोची आत्महत्या किंवा दधितीची आत्महत्या. आत्माही तीच, आत्महत्याही तीच, हत्याही तीच. कारण जीवनही तेच, मरणही तेच, सकाळपासून रात्रीपर्यंत तेच तेच. Life loses fun. And we realize this by the time we reach 60. And we have held the benefit of being a senior citizen in railway bookings. We lose passion. We forget dreams. Everybody has a spark. Over a period of time, we lose that spark. Line keeps on repeating. Meaning is lost. That's the story of most of us. They have broken the mold. They have shown the courage that this can be broken because they realize that nothing can be achieved once you lose the time. For them, time was the currency and travel was university.
Absolutely.
And this is what they did in their life. So early retirement का मतलब inactivity नहीं है. It means doing much more meaningful things which you always wanted to do. Everybody has a bucket list in life, but very few have courage to achieve it. That's why when I ask all of you, ऐसा कौन जीना चाहेगा? Almost everybody raised the hand. This is what everybody would like to. My compliments to both of you that you have shown the courage. पर कुछ सवाल है? And they come from someone who has lived within the चौखट. ये सिक्योरिटी नाम की एक चीज होती है. करियर है, एक सिक्योरिटी होती है. When at the 35-40 you are at the peak of your career. And especially being an investment banker, that is the time you become senior VP and aspire to become a CEO.
Yes.
That means small rat wants to become a bigger rat.
Correct.
Nothing else more than that. तो ये सिक्योरिटी का आपने क्या किया? You didn't feel insecure leaving your jobs?
I had some apprehensions, but after seeing her quit, I was like, why am I in this drudgery? So it was like very...
What made you quit?
So I stopped feeling motivated by bigger titles, more money. And I strongly feel that money is the means to an end. So at some point, आपको लगना चाहिए कि पेट भर रहा है, right? कि भर गया है, right? Which I think people keep trying to build a higher wall,
But how do you
more
decide
security.
enough is enough?
Take a chance.
I think the one word answer is if you are satisfied, you are done. Because otherwise you just keep it's endless. It can never be enough, as you rightly said. If you're personally satisfied, then you don't need
So
it.
was it the boredom that drove you to put in your papers? Or is it that exploratory gypsy zeal that drove you out of your homes and sleep in the cars and travel all across the country?
A combination of both. I think, like you said, we strongly felt that the biggest luxury that we can buy ourselves is time. Given the careers that we were in, we did not have that luxury when we were working. Traveling constantly, I was an absolute workaholic, giving, like even on weekends, really thinking about which deal am I closing, where am I negotiating. And that really wasn't the way to live
You
life.
are talking something which all of us are doing throughout our life.
Yeah. But that's not the best way to live. Life is what we felt for ourselves.
जिंदगी एक बार मिलने वाली है,
Absolutely. और
उसे खुल के जियो.
और कब क्या
Live
हो
life,
सकता है? हाँ.
live life king size, live life queen size.
Absolutely.
That's the mantra you lived. You went unplanned.
Yeah.
You planned unorganized. कहाँ जाना है कल मालूम नहीं. कहाँ आप सोओगे, कहाँ खाओगे, कुछ मालूम नहीं. ये कैसा प्रकार का ट्रैवल है कि आप कुछ प्लान नहीं करते, कुछ नहीं करते, बस निकल पड़े जहाँ रास्ता निकला?
बस सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा उसी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी में है, क्योंकि हमारा इतना ट्रिप अनप्लान था, ऑर्गेनिक था. वी कुड कीप आस्किंग लोकल्स कि आप बताइए क्या अच्छा है यहाँ पर, क्या करें, कहाँ पे
मिल गया
कचौरियाँ
उसी को
अच्छी है.
मुकद्दर समझ लिया.
और हमारे पास टाइम था. हमें वो नहीं डिसाइड करना था कि मैं यहाँ पे 2 रात रहूँगा, 3 रात रहूँगा. हमें वो फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी चाहिए थी कि मैं किधर गया और मुझे अच्छा लगा तो मैं 1 वीक, 10 दिन, 20 दिन रह सकूँ. बिकॉज द होल आइडिया वाज हमें जाके एक्सपीरियंस करना है, हमें कुछ देख के नहीं आना है.
But for 38 years, you were learning something, which is investment banking or to follow a particular regime,
Yes.
routine, and suddenly you break the mold. There is enough time, ample time, and you don't know actually what to do with it, with the time. And that's what you start unlearning what you learn. How many things you unlearn in life? Getting up early in the morning, traveling in the traffic.
Yeah.
What else?
I think I would say this, that the biggest thing for most people, the most difficult thing to give up, of course, is the routine, but it's also that title, right? कि वो visiting card जो मेरी
Yeah.
identity बन गई है, is very, very important. I think the biggest challenge is to give up
Give up
that,
that, yeah.
that
Wow.
sense of ego that you get
But
from
had you
that.
continued with your visiting card
Yeah.
of senior vice president, investment banking, Falana Dikra bank, I don't think we would have invited you and people would have sat quietly to listen.
That's true.
Absolutely.
Unless you have some tip to earn billions in one day. That doesn't happen. Some people wants to leave this country because they declare that this is unsafe. You traveled so much. Is India really unsafe?
I mean, to begin with, I had some apprehensions, especially about traveling through UP and Bihar, especially as a woman, right? Which is why I had all these pepper sprays and knives and all of that, and even took a self-defense class. But I think if you are sort of conscious about the way you travel, if you're respectful towards outsiders, people are respectful as well. And we had absolutely no safety
We had
issues,
no issues,
including
yeah.
in UP and Bihar. We would avoid traveling at night.
But you were traveling to a district called Mon. Now, I
Yeah.
know because I have spent good
Yeah.
time over there on Nagaland, which is next. I mean, Subansiri se aage jaake
Yes.
wo sab rasta
Correct.
aayega. I spend about 10 days a month in that Subansiri, even now these days. There is a question, there is an issue of language.
Yes.
There is an issue of connect. Because every context of life with Northeast is completely different than what you would have lived in over here. How did you connect with the people?
I think people are nice everywhere. I mean, as you rightly said, language issue था. But हर जगह अगर हम अच्छे से लोगों से behave करें तो I think people behave much better back with us. I mean, कितनी बार ऐसे हुआ हम कोई village में enter किए, हम रास्ता पूछ रहे हैं, language समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. बंदा बोल रहा है आप गाड़ी, मतलब ऐसे ही बोल रहा है आप गाड़ी रखो, gesturing come out. और बाहर जाके वो हमें ऐसे ही अपने घर लेके जा रहा है और चाय पिला रहा है. Like, कोई किसी को जानता नहीं, हम जानते भी नहीं, और हम कभी किसी को अपने घर पे इनवाइट तो करते नहीं. और there are everywhere so many people invited us.
Or
as
even
well.
if we've had punctures, there have been absolute strangers who've come and helped us. We spent 5 months in Northeast. We even went to Tripura, Mizoram. We had absolutely no safety challenges. Roads बहुत खराब थे.
स्टोरीज बहुत सुने लोगों
हाँ.
से कि सेफ्टी में ये हो सकता है, लाइक अ प्लेस इन अरुणाचल कॉल्ड पासी घाट, वहाँ पे ट्राइबल वो है और वहाँ पे ऐसे रूल्स है कि अगर मैंने गाड़ी रोड पे पार्क की है और कोई और आके मेरी गाड़ी ठोक गया है, आई हैव टू बाय दैट पर्सन अ न्यू कार. दैट इज द रूल ऑफ द लैंड देयर. और एक रात को जो होटल में हम रह रहे थे, मैंने गाड़ी ऐसे ही रोड पे पार्क कर दी. रात को 12 बजे वो होटल वाला आके मुझे बोल रहा है प्लीज बेसमेंट में पार्क करिए, किसी ने आपकी गाड़ी ठोक दी तो आपको नई गाड़ी देनी पड़ेगी. तो ऐसे सब स्टोरीज
one
भी
rule.
सुने, बट हमें कुछ नहीं हुआ.
हमें तो कुछ नहीं हुआ.
You travel across various cultures, food habits, most importantly, languages. India is, friends, such a diverse country. You'll be surprised to know what I'm telling you. I widely travel in my life, and in Himachal, I was told that every district have a distinctive dress pattern.
Yes.
एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट की औरत दूसरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट के औरत की तरह ड्रेस नहीं करेगी. देयर कलर्स, देयर पैटर्न्स, देयर स्टिचिंग स्टाइल्स, एवरीथिंग इज टोटली डिफरेंट. नाउ विद दिस सो मच ऑफ डाइवर्सिटी विद इन वन हिमाचल, एंड यू हैव बीन टू अबाउट 20 states in the country, tell me, what is it that binds India together, that we rise as a nation on something, but we fight on some petty issues which is extremely trivial?
That's a very different question. I don't know what that magic is, but there is something.
Which keeps us going together.
Yeah.
Even
But on a very sort of anecdotal level, जो हमारा छोटा सा experience है, whenever we would go to a new place, meet someone, of course they would see कि अच्छा महाराष्ट्र की गाड़ी है, कोई तो बाहर से है, and then there would be conversations कि क्या कर रहे हो, क्या नहीं. The first thing that every Indian in a conversation tries to do is find out कि common क्या है, right? ये नहीं कि differences क्या है. It can be something as random.
क्या बात है.
It can be as random as कि मैंने कहा कि अच्छा हम बम्बई से आ रहे हैं, and they'll say कि
मैं बम्बई गया
टाइगर
था.
श्रॉफ मुझे बहुत पसंद है, वो
Yeah.
बम्बई में रहता है. You know, something so random and they'll make a connection. कोई तो connection हम निकाल ही
Is
लेते
Bollywood and cricket still the best binding force for the nation?
हैं. Not in the Northeast. Northeast Bollywood is not so
Bollywood
relevant.
more than cricket for sure.
Yeah, but and not cricket either because most people play football. But yeah, Bollywood songs of course are a big binder. Indian music is.
When we are staying in Mumbai, we have so many things at our disposal, just at the beck and call. You make a call, you get it on Amazon, you make a call, and Urban Clap would come and fix up the things. You have maid servants to help you to make cooks, you clean your clothes, but when you travel on such things, many things you have to do it on your own,
Yes.
and we can't take things for granted.
Absolutely.
Can you enlist what you had to do on your own?
So, of course, we had to try and keep the car clean ourselves. Over a 1 year period, there's a lot of cleaning, sand, ice, pata nahi kya kya in the gaadi, right? Which is pretty much our home. We also had to figure out our laundry. I mean, obviously, one suitcase is not enough to last
Regularly,
forever.
yeah.
So we had to either do it ourselves, find somebody who would help us in a village. Water, of course, is also a challenge. Yeah, some of these things.
Fuel was a challenge in many parts of Northeast, so we had to really plan well in advance as to how we will, our route well in advance.
Mobile connectivity was a challenge. So you
Food
couldn't
initially
always.
was an issue for me because I was very, very rigid कि मैं यही type का खाना खाऊंगा. But after the first 2 महीने में मैं पूरा बदल गया. अभी आज मुझे आप कुछ भी खाना दोगे मैं खा लूंगा और भरपेट खाऊंगा.
उसे कहते हैं मरता क्या न करता.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
कितना दिन ऐसे रहोगे भैया?
Correct.
Since so many issues you said about food, about internet connectivity, petrol not being
Navigation.
there, एक feedback तो जरूर मैं दूंगा. और उस आदमी को दूंगा जो claim कर रहे हैं कि we have constructed roads which we have never seen and better in India. गडकरी साहब को क्या कहेंगे जाके हम कि आप लोग इतना ट्रैवल किए, रास्ते की हालत कैसी है?
बहुत ही मिक्स्ड बैग था. कहीं कहीं पे तो हमें इतना अच्छा लगता था कि टोल बूथ आ गया,
हाँ,
यू नो, फाइनली एटलीस्ट देयर वुड बी सम एक्सपेक्टेशन कि रोड ठीक होगा. In many places जो आर्मी के रोड्स थे, बीआरओ के रोड्स थे, वो मच बेटर देन द एनएचएआई. तो गडकरी साहब के लिए वो फीडबैक तो है, स्पेशली इन द नॉर्थ ईस्ट जहाँ पे वो बोल रहे हैं कि डिफेंस के लिए रोड्स वगैरह बनाए जा रहे हैं. नॉर्थ ईस्ट स्पेशली द रोड्स वर हॉरेंडस. कहीं कहीं जगह में हमें 100 किलोमीटर चलाने में 8 घंटे लग जाते थे, और वो भी मतलब धक्के खा
District
कर.
Mon especially.
Yeah, really bad. Arunachal especially, right?
Mokokchung, Long Lane, all that area. It's
Absolutely.
very difficult. You travel 5-6 hours and don't see
Yeah.
anybody on the road.
Absolutely.
Not even one vehicle passing or crossing.
many places.
So
Lonely नहीं लगता ऐसे इसमें?
हाँ, हमें और अच्छा लगता था. In fact, lesser the people, the better we would find.
and you would always meet new people wherever you went, right? So हमेशा कोई नई कहानी सुनने को मिलती थी. You're bonding with new people. In fact, many of them are still friends. We are still in touch with people from all over the country.
Because बहुत जगहों पे हम होम स्टेज में रहते थे. So it is basically one family जिनके घर पे हम जा रहे हैं. तो दिन के 2-3 मील हम साथ में ही कर रहे हैं, और तभी वो फैमिली अपना जो भी काम है, like farming etc., they are doing it. So I mean, lots of मतलब बहुत ही crazy discussions हुए लोगों के साथ, from politics to local issues to how life in the city is, many children going away from villages and what they as parents feel. So like
क्या समस्या है नॉर्थ ईस्ट की या इंडिया के गाँव की?
I think obviously employment is a big challenge, क्योंकि कोई भी ऐसे economic drivers वहाँ पे नहीं है. तो migration of course is a big problem for everybody, कि बच्चों को हम कैसे यहाँ रखें, that's not a possibility.
एम्प्लॉयमेंट भी नहीं है और एजुकेशन भी नहीं है, क्योंकि एजुकेशन के लिए बच्चे बाहर जाते हैं और उसके बाद एम्प्लॉयमेंट उधर ही ढूंढने लगते हैं.
And जैसे हमने मॉन की बात की, there was this young school teacher we met, वो मतलब कोई 20-22 साल का था. He was teaching everyone from class 1 to 10. And he also had to cook the midday meals himself. He had to trek to all of the schools. Now it's not possible to deliver a good education like that, right?
24/7 for 13 months, husband and wife together. मैंने सवाल पूछा नहीं है भाइयों, आपके हंसी ने सवाल पूछ लिया है.
नहीं, बहुत झगड़े होते थे. रोज दिन का एक झगड़ा तो होता ही था.
Things were normal, that means.
Yeah.
किस बात पे झगड़े होते थे?
तो मेरा तो हमेशा I used to be navigating out of that 40,000 plus kilometers. मैंने सिर्फ 500 किलोमीटर चला है, इसी ने चला है. But I'm a very good navigator. But ज्ञान भी बहुत बांटती थी कि अच्छा धीरे चलो, अरे गोट आ रहा है सामने से, कैमल आ रहा है, ये वो. So a lot of irritation.
Natural instinct to control husband.
Yes.
Is that what you can say? Jokes apart, on the serious note, people have been talking about impact of climate change. And especially I've seen, let's say Arunachal Pradesh is the only place on the earth where you go as high as 15,000 feet. Still you will have mountains which has dense forest.
Yeah.
ये दुनिया में कहीं नहीं दिखने को मिलेगा आपको. But climate change has impacted a lot. What impact you have seen?
Of course, farming patterns changing. Like I said, rains coming early.
landslides.
Lots of landslides across the country. Winter stretching out. तो March, April तक भी snowfalls होते ही जा रहे हैं. Development also means very many different things in different places. Sitting here in Bombay, what we think of as GDP growth and the greater good is not the same as it would be, let's say, in a Bastar or in an Arunachal Pradesh,
Odisha.
right? And these are the markets and these are the areas that are actually paying the price for our GDP. तो वो थोड़ा मतलब, I think only after all of those conversations
Since
did
you
we
have
get an
stayed at
idea of-
homestay many times, and most of the times I would say, what pattern you have seen of impact of social media on the family structures?
crazy.
It has ruined cities. What has impacted in villages?
I would say YouTube, because of certain villages there was no internet. So I mean, to that extent, I think they were sheltered. But wherever internet has become easy, I think we've seen kids have become very homogenized. In the sense that a kid in Bombay will be watching the same thing and will be talking about the same thing versus a kid in a remote village in Assam or
That's
Bengal.
like becoming a global commoner.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Has
And
the,
their aspirations are very different and they're not in sync with the realities of that place, right? You want to grow fast, you want to become richer fast, but वो साधन वहाँ पर नहीं है. So that's the flip side, that people become unhappy with where they are.
is it that economic comfort which you achieved by 38 uh, allowed you to take such a risk in life that you will not earn, but you will learn, unlearn, and become more enriched and enlightened. Had this economic power not been there, you would have lived like what you were earlier.
So
Not at
we
all.
are not risk takers in that sense. We are obviously both from a finance background. And from our first internship check, we've been very regimental about savings and investing in the equity markets. And that obviously, other than our salaries, had a big role to play
play in
in
our
achieving financial independence so early.
Was this आपने पहले 25 जब थे तभी सोचा था कि 40 के वक्त सब छोड़ देंगे?
डिजायर था अर्ली
वो-
रिटायरमेंट का, बट
सेंट्रल रेलवे में एक बोर्ड चिपकाते थे, नौकरी छोड़ो. Is that something which उसको देख के आपने तय किया था कि भाई नौकरी छोड़ देंगे 40 की उम्र में?
I think इतनी जल्दी तो नहीं पता था, but my father is an inspiration. He retired at 49, and I always said, "Papa, I'm going to beat you." But ये नहीं पता था कि 34 पे हो जाएगा. So yeah.
एक पहला जो ट्रैवल होता है उसमें क्यूरियोसिटी होती है, बट व्हेन यू ट्रैवल सो मच इट बिकम्स अ रूटीन, इवन दैट बिकम्स अ रूटीन. क्या वो क्यूरियोसिटी अब भी ताज़ा है, दैट यू कैन प्लान अनदर टूर टुमारो मॉर्निंग?
Absolutely.
एब्सोल्युटली, आई मीन इट्स इजी.
We spend 5 or 6 months a year traveling even now. We travel abroad, we travel in India. Like abhi hum log, we spent 2 months in Norway and Greece road tripping. Now we are going to Andaman.
That's green lights.
Yeah,
No,
we went for the Arctic for the
We went for the
wildlife.
what do you call it?
Wildlife.
And the sun 24/7 the sun.
What travel gives you? घर में खुशी में रहते हैं, इक्विटी मार्केट में पैसा डाला है, राजा की तरह रहते हैं.
Experiences and meeting different people. And जैसे आप पहले बोले थे, monotony, like क्यों, like यहाँ पे भी after quitting also थोड़ा routine जैसा हो गया है. So like there is so much to see. We are both very very curious people.
And we have an interest in everything: wildlife, history, landscapes, trekking.
Food,
There's
culture.
always something new to experience. And even the same place has something new to offer each time.
Was there some time where you felt like कि नहीं यार अब 2 महीना हो गया घर के बाहर, अब घर चलते हैं, ऐसा कभी लगा?
फीलिंग है कि आफ्टर 5 months इन नॉर्थ ईस्ट, लाइक जब हम गुवाहाटी वापस आए और एक अच्छे होटल में रहे, सो वी वर लाइक सो हैप्पी, अभी बराबर शावर है, एवरीथिंग इज लाइक, सो दैट फीलिंग वाज रियली नाइस टू हैव ऑल द क्रीचर कंफर्ट्स.
But ऐसे
घर आने का नहीं.
yeah.
Since all of them have raised their hands that they would like to live like you, like a gypsy life, what is it that if one dares to do it, what are the advices you will give on being financially independent, on how to travel safely, and what do's and what don'ts?
I would say it need not even be such a long trip, right? It could be a 10-day holiday, a 15-day holiday. It need not even be travel. It can be anything that's your dream, right? That you can make a move towards achieving right now. Financial independence or saving for that dream, of course, is important. And it doesn't really take much, right? It's just about that discipline, putting aside little every month. That's all that you really need.
And COVID has also shown us that we need very little to live. Unlike us, like when we traveled, we didn't know this, but COVID taught us that बहुत कम चीजें चाहिए जीने के लिए और खुशी जीने के लिए.
और ultimately सबको वही दाल रोटी सब्जी खानी है, right? Beyond a point, that's all that we need.
That reminds me of one interview which I conducted in Swayam. I would urge all of you to please watch it. It's of Radhika Navre and Abha Sauber. Radhika Navre has, made a list of art map of India.
Wow.
And she takes you to that village, make you stay with the artisan, learn that art, make that product as a gift to your loved and dear ones. Same with Abha Chaubar. She travels to the unknown place, stays with the unknown people. 13 साल का वनवास तो हमने सुना था. 13 महीनों का ये सहवास इतना गहरा होगा ये पहली बार हमने देखा. This is what is called as vocal for local.
Yeah, absolutely.
This is what are the real brand ambassadors of unity in diversity. इसी को सरकार ने कहा है एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत। जो भारत इन्होंने देखा है, शायद इतना अनप्लान्ड और इतना अच्छा भारत आप प्लान करके किसी टूर कंपनी के साथ भी नहीं देख सकते। The only country in the world which offers
Absolutely.
so much of diversity, on the top of it, Atithi Devo Bhava. That's the spirit for which everybody comes to India from the times 5,000 years ago to date. People travel because what they have learned is Charaivati, Charaivati, Charaivati.